You ever spend hours trying to make AI art and it either comes out blurry or just straight up cursed? Like one eye on the forehead, another on the chin? Yeah, I've been there. That's exactly why I wanted to pit OpenArt AI and Leonardo AI against each other in two of the most talked about AI art platforms right now. Everyone claims they're the best, but which one actually delivers? Let's find out. So first up, OpenArt AI, think of it as the plug-and-play option. It's clean, beginner-friendly, and you can use multiple AI models like Stable Diffusion or Flux. You just type your prompt, pick a style, and bam, the art pops out. But here's the catch. Reddit users say the free credits vanish faster than your phone battery at 2%. On Trustpilot, folks love the UI, but mention slower rendering times for HD images. Now, Leonardo feels more pro. The art quality is seriously impressive. Sharper textures, realistic lighting, and you get that polished cinematic look. Plus, its prompt magic tool helps turn rough prompts into better ones. Over on Twitter, creators love how it nails anime and digital art styles, though some say it's a bit heavy on GPU usage for advanced features. Here's a quick comparison chart so you can see what's what. If you're just starting out, OpenArt AI is chill, easy, and gets the job done. But if you're going for portfolio-level results, like art that could pass for human-made, Leonardo AI is where it's at. All right, your turn. Which one are you, Team OpenArt or Leonardo? Drop it in the comments. And if you want to see my breakdown of how to get realistic AI portraits every time, click the next video. Stay creative, stay curious, and I'll catch you there.